What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you all the details about their latest shelf offering. And on top of that, I will show you that one of major funds is increasing its position in Lucid. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and I've told you that from this range we might see lower price targets, and my main price target was at roughly $15.32, and as you can see from this range this asset already lost about 6.3% of its value, and it is on its way to hit this range of support. So my forecast was quite accurate, and on top of that, let me show you that we have another range of resistance right here. If I switch to 4 hours time frame, we can see it more clearly that this range is nothing else but a range of resistance, because we have only 2 weeks above this level, and the price action hit this level and went lower. Definitely it implies lower price action in upcoming sessions, and that's why we have to be cautious with the long position. And let's continue with the latest news, and definitely one of the most important news that was published just yesterday is this one. Lucid Group files Form S3 shelf registration statement. And let me quote you this. Lucid Air today announced that it has filed an universal shelf registration statement on Form S3 with the Securities and Exchange Commission. The registration statement would allow Lucid to rise up an aggregate of $8 billion in primary capital in one or more offerings over the 3 years after the registration statement is declared effective by the SEC. Lucid is not selling any securities from the shelf registration statement at this time. This means they have an option to raise up to $8 billion of capital in the next 3 years. And for now, they don't have an intention to raise this capital, because let me show you somewhere here. They already have about $4.6 billion of cash and cash equivalents on hand. This means they are fully funded well into 2023, and they don't need to raise more capital at this point. On top of that, if they want to raise a capital, let me switch to daily time frame. Right here on this lowest point, it is not so lucrative for the company to raise capital at lower prices. This means in a matter of next 3 years we might see this rising of capital when the price will go much higher. And for now we are absolutely in safe territory, but this news by itself might negatively affect the price of Lucid Motors in a short period of time. And definitely this news doesn't change anything. Fundamentally, this company is still on its way to hit their goals, and in my opinion, the major positive catalyst will be when they will increase their production rates, and definitely it happens in a matter of next couple of years. And let's continue with another very good news. First of all, on August 25th, Lucid appoints Derek Carty as Vice President of Platform Software Engineering. And you might know that Lucid has some issues with their software, and this person will supervise all of their efforts in order to make the best possible product. Definitely it is a good news overall, and on top of that, let me show you another very bullish news. We are on fintel.io, and this site tracks the activity from institutional investors. And let me show you that on August 29th we have several filings of VANGUARD group of its different branches, and all of these branches are increasing their position with Lucid. As you can see, it added about 2.81%, and the overall position of this branch is more than $294.6 million. Next one is right here. It increased its position by more than 2.78%. Next one, completely new position of about $678,000. Next one, increased by 3.85% to $10.6 million. Next one, increase on 2.71%. Next one, 1.95%, and so on and so forth. And if you count all of these positions, the overall position of Vanguard Group in Lucid Motors is more than $670 million. Definitely it is a huge position, and as you can see, this fund is bullish on Lucid because it increased its position despite of the fact that they are in red right now. So definitely it is a very good sign overall for the long-term holders. And that's why let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you that, let me switch to hourly time frame and let me add the price action of QQQ on this price chart. And as you can see, Lucid Motors mimics the price action of QQQ. This means none of the recent news affected the price of Lucid by itself. Everything depends on the market right now. And what should we expect from the market? Definitely, right after the Federal Reserve speeches, we have more bearish pressure on the market, and that's why this week might also be a red week for the market, and that's why we might land at $15.32 mark as I predicted in my previous video. And what should we expect next in the long-term perspective? If you want to invest in this asset and you've already done your own due diligence, you can accumulate your position on every daily red candle. But if you want to catch the trade, if you want to enter your long position, medium or short-term long position, just wait for the confirmation, because for now we don't have any bounces to the upside with increasing volume. As you can see right here, from the range of about $16 when this asset found a support, we don't have enough volume to assume that this movement to the upside was the beginning of new uptrend. And that's why when this asset hits this range of resistance of $17, it had a rollover, and for now we are moving south. So what will be the next step? In my opinion, if you want to catch the trade you are risky enough, you can start to accumulate your position right here at $15.36 mark, because it is this previous swing low. Probably that might act as a support. And if you want to have more confirmation, just wait for this type of movement. If we'll have a bounce from this range, we might have next leg to the upside, then retracement, and then when we break this previous swing high right here, probably you might enter your position. But this entry point will be confirmed only when we will see much higher volume than we had previously. Only in this case, this is quite safer territory, and your stop loss should be slightly, if your entry position will be right here, your stop loss should be slightly below this previous swing low. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad.